Reyee RG-APF1260MG-P Installation Guide. The e-Lighten APF1260MG-P is delivered without a toolkit. You need to prepare the tools and cables as required. Check whether the device is intact after unboxing. The video shows the device and the accessories. Remove the decorative panel from the device. Remove the whole cover on the top of the device. Remove the front panel from the 86mm junction box. Lead the cable from the 86mm junction box through the mounting bracket, and align the screw holes on the mounting bracket with those on the junction box. Use the screws delivered with the device to secure the mounting bracket to the junction box. The following figures show mounting brackets installed on the European Standard, South African Standard, and American Standard junction boxes. An AP can be powered by either a DC power adapter or centralized POF. The following video describes cable connections for the two power supply options. Select the appropriate option as required. Due to limited space in the junction box and the fiber management tray of the AP, the total length of the optical cable outside the wall should not exceed 50 centimeters. Lead one end of the optical cable through the designated opening on the AP and connect the cable to the SC port of the AP. Secure the optical cable according to the direction indicated by the arrows on the fiber management tray. Then, connect the other end of the optical cable to the SC port of the optical splitter. Connect one end of the telephone cable to the phone port of the AP. Finally, connect the DC power cord to the DC power port of the AP. Due to limited space in the junction box and the fiber management tray of the AP, the total length of the hybrid cable outside the wall should not exceed 50 centimeters. Separate the optical cable and power cord within the hybrid cable. Perform fusion or mechanical splicing on the optical cable as required. After splicing the optical fiber and fiber pigtail, wrap heat shrink tubing promptly around the splice to ensure a permanent connection and prevent contamination. When performing mechanical splicing on the optical cable, lead one end of the optical cable through the designated opening on the AP and connect it to the SC port of the AP. Secure the optical cable to the fiber management tray of the AP. When performing fusion splicing on the optical cable, fix the splice to the splice holder. After coiling the optical cable, cut the power cord within the hybrid cable to a proper length and connect it to a terminal block plug. Then insert the terminal block plug into the POF port of the AP. After the AP is installed, connect the other end of the power cord within the hybrid cable to the PoE plus port of the active optical splitter. Connect the optical cable to the SC port of the active optical splitter. After connecting the telephone cable, coil the excess optical cable in the 86mm junction box. Align the AP edge with the edge of the mounting holes on the bracket. Then slide it downward to lock in place. Connect Ethernet cables as required. And install the cable cover on the AP as required. Install the decorative plate on the AP. After the installation, power on the device. Ensure that the system status LED of the AP is solid blue and the SC port LED is green.